So Jambo, my name is Philip Ogola. Good evening from Nairobi. Today being the International Youth Day, I just want to give my voice as one of the 14 plus social good connectors. So currently we are in a global pandemic. We are all battling COVID in one way or another. So as Digital Humanitarian, we've had front row access to nearly all COVID facilities, and we're also assisting the Ministry of Health in Kenya on digital communication, and we are part of the COVID communications task force, where we just assist in storytelling of positive stories about COVID and just helping making sense of the clutter on social media. So to the youths who are watching this, I just want to let you know that you have a big role to play to reduce the stigma and also help flatten the stigma curve. As Digital Humanitarian, we've had front row access to patients, doctors, nurses, essential workers who are both battling COVID, who have recovered from COVID, or who are actually on the front line trying to respond to the cases which are actually arising. And it's not easy being on the front line. The stories you hear, the pain, the trauma, the stigma, both from the health workers, we hearing doctors, nurses. Our health workers right now are actually burnt out. They're stigmatized. So what I'm just requesting that you, as Africans, let's portray a positive message about our health workers. Let's support them. Let's be there for them. Let's reduce stigma, especially the people who have come out publicly and to declare they have tested positive. Let's support them. This is the time to be there with the patients who are battling COVID, with the families who are battling COVID, and let's reduce the stigma. Anyone can get COVID. COVID is here with us. So it's how do we live with it moving forward. And as colleagues, as neighbors, as friends, how do we support each other? So I just want to make an appeal that there's a huge spike in mental illness, especially depression, stigma, self-stigma, and all these are actually compounded by stigma, discrimination, and labeling of the patient. So let's stop that and let's support and give support to patients. Let's encourage each other. Let's spread positivity, because it could be you next time who's battling COVID. So let's just support each other and let's avoid posting photos of the patients in hospital. Let's avoid posting photos of the burials, because it gives stigma to the people who are not the people actually battling COVID. And the one appeal which I really want to make is, let's be sensitive to the people who are positive. Let's tell more stories of the recoveries. Let's not focus more on the death. COVID is not a death sentence. So I just want to tell to the youth today, we have a role to shape conversations. We have a role to shape narratives around COVID, and we can be the voice of the voiceless, of the people who are battling COVID. It could be you tomorrow. Thank you.